Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to show how to download a GCase or test data case suite and generate test data. Let's get started. First, we will need to download our scenario chain. This scenario chain contains all three scenarios within this project version: the user scenario, the address scenario, and the account scenario. To download a scenario chain, you must click on the download icon. Next, we will need to download our test data case suite. You can do so by expanding the self-serve options menu and selecting GCases. Next, click on the cloud icon for the desired test data case suite. Next, you will need to select the test data case suite, the test data category, and the test data case within the GCases management platform. Once these items have been selected, you will be able to copy the command line shown at the bottom of the GCases management platform. You can use a shift click to select this command and then use Control-C or Command-C to copy it. Next, you will need to open a command prompt or terminal window. You will need to change the path to match your output path for GenRocket. Once this has been done, you can paste the command. Since we created and downloaded a scenario chain, we only have to run this command once to generate our data. To do so, you will need to remove scenario name.grs and replace it with the name of the scenario chain, or scenario chain set. For this example, the scenario chain is named all scenario chains.grs. Hit enter once finished. When you see all done and the time elapsed, you will know this command has finished. Each of our domains within our sample project has been assigned the delimited file receiver. This means that 3 delimited files will be created for our output when running our test data case command with our scenario chain. The user.txt file contains all generated users for the user domain. If we scroll down to the bottom, you will see that 100 users have been created. If you look at our account text file, you can see that each user has 2 accounts. The first 2 records are for user 1. The next 2 records are for user 2. The next 2 records are for user 3, and so on. We scroll down to the bottom of the account text file, you can also see that 200 accounts have been created. And finally, if we look at the address.txt file, you can see that the generated addresses for each account are between 1 and 3 addresses. The first 2 addresses belong to account 1. The next 3 addresses belong to account 2. The next 3 addresses belong to account 3. And the next 3 addresses belong to account 4. The next 3 account 5. The next 3 account 6. Then 1 address for account 7. 1 address for account 8. And 3 addresses for account 9. As shown in the output files, we have generated 100 users. Each user has 2 accounts for a total of 200 accounts, and each account has 1 to 3 addresses. This concludes our tutorial on how to generate test data using test data cases. Thank you for watching.